Hi, I'm ordering actually. I'm not sure who, I think I know who it's from, but we'll open. So. Oh yes, it's my paint by number factory. This one, this one. Let's see. Both ready, so. This is the waterfall one. Tight rolled. Brushes. So, yeah. Oh, there is a reference sheet. I think that's the way it's going. Actually, it's not too bad. Creases too, crease-wise. Actually, not too bad. Fairly, oh, there's a little fairly detailed. No leakages. This one number double. Being background and thinking. And let's see, remember them. So, brushes, paints, dark colours, but let's see. Reference sheet. Not too good. Black numbers. I think they're fairly okay too. Yep, that is from my Painting by Number Factory. First order from them. What was it? 6th of February I ordered this, and that's arrived 4th of March. So it took a bit, but I think Chinese New Year is preventing stuff at the moment. So hopefully I'll be getting more, because I ordered a couple more in February.